Makeup tips for beginners. Hydration is key, so moisturizing your skin before makeup application is so vital. And if you're oily, you still need to be applying some moisturizer before applying makeup. Never skip your brows. Your brows literally frame your face, and if you apply it before applying your base, your brow products will actually last longer and they would adhere to your skin. Before going with a sponge or a brush, go ahead and warm up the foundation into your skin with your hands. This will blend into your skin and look more natural. For more coverage, blend your foundation with a brush using little bouncing movements. If you want less coverage, go in with a sponge just to take off any excess. You can still create a full glam look without using foundation. Not all powders are made the same. There's setting powders, there's finishing powders, there's loose powders, and they all serve a purpose. Let me know if you want me to make a video with that. Learning about your eye shape and your eye color is not only going to help you enhance your natural features, but it's also going to help you make your eyes pop and stand out. If you want your lip liner to last longer, take a little bit of powder and set your lips. Apply your lip liner and repeat that step. Set your lips again. Your lipstick might fade, but your lip liner will not. This is the finished look. Let me know if I should do a part 2.